Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello everyone, welcome to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. In today's video, we are gonna see how you can configure different profiles for different applications using NVDA. NVDA allows you to create different profiles with different voice, pitch, speed, punctuation level, and all other settings you want to set. And all other settings you want to use. So without further delay, let's start today's beautiful episode. Currently I'm using IBM TTS. So let's say I want to use let's say what I can do is I can just switch this to nuance vocalizer. Let me switch.
Nuance vote. Desktop list. Export.
And now I'll be showing you how it works. Let me just reduce the speed.
Pitch rate 50, rate 4, rate 40, rate 30, rate 20, rate 20, rate 30. X list item focus.
I hope it's okay for everyone. If you still have doubts, you can ask in the comment section later. Now what I do is, let's suppose you want to do some changes for the Notepad application. So let me open the Notepad.
Nested if.html.
And here you can see one code file is written. See, now it is read by the
less script greater. Let age equals 70 semi. Let pw if left paren pwd equals quote yes quote right paren.
Now you understand that symbol level is all, and all
caps,
these things is
caps lock
doing
off.
Right. So what I can do is I can
symbol
just
level not symbol level sum.
I just do this symbol level sum
Undo.
here right now. And now what I can do is I can create a different profile, and when I come to this Notepad, and my voice will be changed, speed will be changed, and as well as everything will be updated properly. So here I'm just upgrading a speed a little bit.
Rate 35, rate 40, rate 45.
Okay, rate 45,
rate 50.
Rate 50. So I'm keeping rate 50 because this is not for basic users. This is little intermediate users. By the way, guys, here you can see the code of JavaScript. And if you want to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, you can design websites, small web-based tools, and later on, if you learn more advanced technology, then you can create a dynamic website. Not only this, you can also work as a digital accessibility tester in various companies, work as web accessibility consultant, and you can build a good career. And the best part is, you can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript with proper certification and proper training, accessibility, and along with your preferred language, English, Hindi, and Bengali. If you want to learn more, check out our course, because from September 2025, we are going to start a new batch of fundamentals of web development. So hurry up, grab the opportunity now, because seats are very limited. So now let's start how you can configure different profiles. So for example, I want to configure profiles for Notepad. So first of all, I need to open the application on like Notepad. In my case, if you want to do it any other application such as Word, Excel, you need to open that application. Then go to NVDA menu by pressing NVDA plus N.
NVDA menu.
Then press down arrow until you find configurations.
Preferences submenu. Tool submenu. T help submenu. Configuration profiles. C.
Configuration profiles. Press enter here.
Configuration profiles dialog. List. Normal configuration. Edit.
And then press tab until you hear add new.
New button alt plus N.
Or new button. Press enter.
New profile dialog. Profile name. Edit blank.
Give a profile name. Let's say I'm typing Notepad with IBM.
T. Tag. With.
Then I'm pressing tab.
Use this profile for grouping. Manual activation radio button checked.
It is saying that use this profile for manual activation, which means you need to again and again activate that profile whenever you want to use. By the way, if you wish, you can create different profiles, and when you need, you can activate them at any time.
Current application, Notepad, radio button.
Current application, Notepad. So this is I want. So when you switch to the Notepad, the profile will switch automatically. You don't need to activate it manually. And another option is
say all radio button check.
Say all.
Current app.
So if you can set a different profile, and when you press insert down arrow to read all the content from your cursor, then that profile will be activated. So
Manual current app.
You can choose as per your requirement,
Manual current application.
but I'm choosing current application. Then I'm pressing tab,
OK button.
and then I'm clicking on OK button. Okay, so I'm clicking on OK button,
Nested.html.
and now I'll just change my voice, change
Select
this
synthesizer
voice
dialog.
to
Synthesizer. IBM TTS.
IBM TTS.
Nested.html notepad text.
Okay, I've changed this to IBM TTS, and now what I'll do is let's say I just choose symbol level all,
Symbol level most. Symbol level all.
and I'm okay with this. And now if I want to save the configuration, I need to press Control Insert C.
Configuration saved.
So now the configuration is properly saved, and now what I can do is what I should do is I just come out of this notepad
Desktop list. Export.
and see I'm in the desktop, and now
Windows Move Export. Windows Movie Maker 5 of Google Chrome 6 of 26.
this is announced by the Samantha, which means the nuance vocalizer. And here if I just let's say I just want to open the Chrome.
My first JS page. You are eligible to get 10% interest.
Here you will not get you are not getting any symbol announcements, right? As my symbol is not all, like my symbol is some. Alright, now I am just opening that notepad and see the changes.
Nested.html.
Yes, now my notepad is announcing by the IBM TTS, and see,
If left parent h greater equals 60 right parent.
so here the symbol level is also not some. Here the symbol level is most. So this is the way you can actually configure different profiles for different use, and you can change the speed also. Now let's suppose here if I change something in IBM TTS here by focusing on notepad, that will only affect on this profile which I have set for the notepad. And the best part is, now if you are a programmer, you can open VS Code and you can set proper settings whichever you need, like symbol level all, speed slow, etc, and you can easily work there. So this is a very useful feature of NVDA. Let me know in the comment section whether you already aware about this feature or just learn from this video. If you find this content useful, don't forget to share this video with others. If you first time visit this channel, subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for more useful tutorials with screen readers. You can join us on WhatsApp and Telegram. Links are given in the video description below. There we post various offers, tips and tricks, and softwares and applications also. If you want to connect us, you can email us. The email ID is given at the about page of our channel. You can also visit our website from the about page of our channel. Follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn. Links are given in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching today's video. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.